This is how you make the best leg of lamb. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making roast leg of lamb. I will be showing you how to cook the perfect leg of lamb that's gonna be so flavorful and juicy. I will be serving this leg of lamb with brown butter and vinegar sauce and some of the rice. I've also got a special surprise for you guys, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, we're gonna start with grounded spices for our lamb. It with black peppercorns, some of these pink peppercorns as well for more flavor. It with the fennel seeds, coriander seeds, black cumin seeds. You could also use white cumin instead. Now you want to coarsely ground this, don't make it too fine. This is exactly what you're looking for. Now in that, mix in some of the mushroom powder and set aside. So here I'm using leg of lamb. First we're going to insert the garlic cloves inside the lamb. Using your knife, add few cuts to the lamb. It's around an inch deep cut. You want to remove the lamb from the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking. It should be at room temperature before we put it in the oven. And now just stuff it with the garlic. I'm using around 5 to 6 cloves here. This one doesn't want to go in for some reason. Now spray with a good touch of oil. Trust me, this is one of the best leg of lamb that you guys gonna try. Massage that everywhere. Amazing. Now if you guys wanted, you could add some more garlic onto this side, but we don't want to complicate this too much. We're gonna use some garlic later as well. Good touch of salt.
Round 1.
Same from the other side, alright. Good touch of the seasoning. Don't use all of it, we're gonna save some for later use as well. Oh, it smells so good. Finally, I've got here some of the dried thyme. It goes amazing with the lamb. You could also use rosemary instead. This leg of lamb will make a perfect feast. Make sure to wipe all the spices properly from the boat. And now let's sear our lamb. Grab yourself a frying pan, heat is on medium high. Spray with a good touch of oil. When nice and hot, in with your lamb. Bismillah. We're gonna sear it from both sides to get a nice brown color. Just press onto the lamb, you wanna properly sear this. We're looking for a nice brown color on both sides. This should take you around 5 minutes on each side. Now carefully, let's turn this. We got a beautiful sear on this side. Continue to do this from the other side as well.
Outstanding.
Now let's sear it from the sides as well. The lamb is gonna be so juicy and tender. Amazing, just turn off the heat now. Remove the lamb into the roasting tray. A light pinch of salt again. Bit of the seasoning and oil. Now you want to insert your temperature probe into the thickest part of the lamb. You want to ensure it's not touching the bone. Like I always say, it's best to get a meat thermometer for your meats. If you guys want, you can also throw in some of the potatoes, carrots into this. But today I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna leave those aside. Now this goes in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius, and we're gonna let this cook until the internal temperatures reach 54 Celsius. This should give you a nice medium pink. Now how do you like your lamb? You like it medium rare, medium, or well done? It's really up to you. For our brown butter and vinegar sauce, first of all you want to roughly chop the ginger and also chop some of the garlic. If you like more intense flavor of these, you can make a paste. In the same pan as before, add few knobs of butter. Deglaze this properly and you want to brown that butter. The milk solids will slowly start to separate from this. This is exactly what you're looking for. Now throw in your ginger and garlic and some of the leftover seasoning that we made earlier. Cook the rawness of the spices and the garlic and ginger. Give it around 30 seconds. Good touch of light soy sauce. And a splash of black vinegar. It has a nice zesty salty flavor. A good mix to that. Oh, this sauce will be amazing with our lamb. Just let this cook for a few seconds and then turn off the heat. Always have a little taste. You could pass the sauce through a sieve if you want more fine kind of sauce. Our delicious brown butter and vinegar sauce.
Perfect.
Done. It's gonna go amazing with the lamb. We're going to serve the lamb with some of this chili garlic rice. Grab yourself a pan in with the oil from fried onions. When the oil is nice and hot, in with the white powder of the spring onion, roughly chopped garlic, and some of this dried chili which has been roughly chopped. Give that a mix, and we're looking for a light brown color on these. Here were the rice that were washed and soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. And then excess water was drained. Lamb stock, you could also use chicken stock instead. Good touch of fresh black pepper in there. Salt. A good mix to that and let it cook until there is some water left. Always best to leave it covered. Or let's check this. Bismillah. Now quick mix to that and we can see there is some water left. Perfect time to steam off the rice. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid and let this steam for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. So the rice should be done by now. Let's check it. Turn off the heat. Amazing, this smells so good. Now garnish it with some of the spring onion greens. Our amazing chili garlic rice.
Excellent.
Done. Alright, so the internal temperature has reached around 54 Celsius and I've removed the lamb from the oven. It looks so delicious, so mouth-watering. Just gonna carefully remove this prop from here. Now you want to cover it with a foil paper and let it rest for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Foil paper will keep the heat inside. My mouth is already watering. For a refreshing watermelon margarita, first we're gonna prep the glass. I've got equal amount of salt and cayenne pepper. Grab your glass and some of the lime or lemon on the edges. And now this goes into the salt mixture. Make sure to coat it properly. Exactly what we're looking for. Just set aside. Now grab yourself a blender with the watermelon. Get rid of the seeds if you can. Some of these fresh mint leaves, juice of lemon and lime. It was some of the sugar. I also like to use some of the black salt in that. Now you want to cover and blend this. Bismillah. If you like it more nice and smooth, then you can pass it through a sieve. Grab your glass in with the ice. It with our refreshing watermelon margarita.
Brutality.
Garnish it with some of the fresh lime and mint. Oh my god, that looks so good. You guys gonna absolutely love this. We're going to garnish the lime with some of the fresh coriander and some of the green part of the spring onion. Roughly chop the coriander and thinly slice the green scallions. Alright, let's check our lamb now. You can see it's still nice and hot. Any of these leftover juices can go inside our sauce. The lamb looks so delicious, so mouth-watering, you know. Definitely make it for your family and friends. Alright guys, let's plate this up with our delicious lamb. Look at that. And some of our brown butter and vinegar sauce onto there. One of the best roast leg of lamb that you guys gonna try. Garnish it with some of the fresh coriander and spring onion greens. Some of this red chili as well. Let's slice up the lamb. Make sure you use a sharp knife for this. You're looking for a nice thin slices of lamb. Just look at that, it's so juicy. Nice and pink, you know, it's not too pink. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy with your family and friends.
Flawless victory.
Our amazing leg of lamb with chili garlic rice and our brown butter and vinegar sauce. Done. This leg of lamb will make a perfect feast for your family and friends.
Fatality.
A big thank you to everyone who has been watching and supporting my videos. I truly appreciate this with the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Alright guys, let's try our leg of lamb. It looks so delicious. First I'm just gonna add the sauce. Bismillah. Let's take a look at the beef with shank. Amazing. Let's try the rice first. Bismillah. Wow, the rice are packed with so much flavor, trust me. The amazing spring onions, a bit of the chili. Oh my god. Let's try our lamb now, look at that. Looks so juicy, bismillah. Wow. So delicious and so juicy. Wow. The sauce, the spices are just perfect. Honestly, it's cooked to perfection. This is exactly how I like my lamb, you know. I'm gonna try the lamb with some of the rice now. Bismillah. What a beautiful combination of flavors. As I mentioned before, this is one of the best leg of lamb that you guys gonna try. Shall I take a bite? Bismillah. Alright, let's try our watermelon margarita. Looks so refreshing. Bismillah. Wow, what a perfect way to end this meal. This is just on another level, trust me. The amazing lemon, lime, watermelon, so refreshing. You guys gonna really enjoy this as well. Perfect flavor, so much better than a restaurant. You guys gonna really enjoy this Lego flam. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like, and shall see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.